Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 8th. Today we are going to start lesson number 5, identifying network resources and computers. Part number 1. So let's start. Our first topic is website. Website is a collection of interrelated web pages. A web page is a document that can be contain text, graphics, sound, or video, and can be viewed in a web browser. Web browser. Web browsers are application software used to view web pages. For example, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. Web server. We can visualize a web server as a hug computer which stores data, websites, etc. and responds to the commands given by us on the internet. In real situation, there is a client-server technology working behind this. The server is a computer which stores all the web pages of websites data, etc. and works on the commands given to it. These commands are given by us on the internet. The result or output of these commands are provided by the server to the computer giving these commands over the internet. This computer is called client. If you wish to view your web pages on internet, you need to upload them on the internet, that is on the machine called web server. In order to upload our website on the internet, we must first register the website with a unique name. After registration of the website, we are provided with a space to store our website on the web server. This space is taken on rent on a web server. The company providing this space is called the web hosting company. Remember, in order to upload a website on web server, first of all, register the website. Second, each website must have unique name. Third, every website is located a space on web server. Fourth, this space is allotted on rent. Fifth, web hosting company provides this space. Sixth, these companies maintain the web server. Every website has a unique name, but there is something common in the names of the website. Every website names start with www and end with either .in or .com or .edu, etc. Every website name is defined according to the naming system called Domain Name System, short form DNS. According to this system, every website has a name followed by its generic domain, wherein the name of the website can be decided by the designer or owner of the website, while the generic name is fixed. This generic name depends on the purpose or use for which website is designed. Following 6 generic domain categories were defined according to the type of organization or institution or purpose or use of the website. Like as .com, it is used for commercial website. .org, organizational website. .mil, military website. .gov, governmental website. .edu, educational website. .net, network website. Country code was also added to top level domain name like .in. It is used for India. .au for Australia. Example is www.amazon.co.in. The above website, the domain name given by the designer is Amazon, subdomain is co, and country code top level domain is in. A website can have one or more web pages. Every website and web pages on internet is given a specific web address. It can be thought of as a page in a book having a unique page number. Hence we can say that all the web pages or website have their address in the form of numbers. A set of 4 numbers separated by 3 dots define the address of each web page or document. For example, 233.132.198.20. But since it is difficult to remember the address of each website or web page in the form of numbers, therefore a system of naming was devised. Thank you.